drop tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today me and my BFF, we're gonna be playing Bloodfest. And at the end there's gonna be a surprise. I hope you like it. So yeah, let's begin.
Okay, let's do this, fam.
I need money. Press B to drop money. Oh, I won't drop money, man. I won't. Oh wow, man, that's a lot, dear. Ugh. Damn. How can I shoot?
They're attacking guest.
Oh, he's dead already.
Guess this.
Oh, for some reason I'm broken. My gun's broken.
That happens sometimes.
How do you fix it?
Can't. Just get a new gun.
I'm not having enough money.
I'll give you some, but I only have 140. This axe costs like 2,000. Nah, I ain't doing that either.
No, this isn't fair. All I can do is run now. That's all I can do. Where are you going? Oh god.
Down there.
Drop some money. Come on.
No, I can't. Nearly sometimes. Nah, I'm already low enough. I've lost enough health already.
Drop some money. Oh no, not here.
Wait, Q is to get health.
Oh come on, it's wasted it. Oh god.
The chainsaw guys are stronger than the others. They take more hits with an axe.
Oh, it's so unfair for me.
Nah, we're cornered. Nah, we lost the matter. Come on, bro.
But now you have 800.
I can't shoot either. Oh, nah. Nah, all the guns, nah, everyone's guns jammed. What is this?
So unfair, man.
Nah, my gun's broken too.
Now, should we find a new game?
Nah, maybe it's supposed to happen.
Why not find a good hiding spot? Oh no! Run! Ah, help me! I'm gonna die.
Mate, I'm on
Ah.
me and I haven't died yet.
At least you have at least you have something you can fight with. I have nothing.
An axe, mate.
Yeah, axe is good.
Axe is only, no, it's not that good. Sword is better. Mate, I can't shoot either.
Oh, no!
I'm gonna go down. You got a grenade, nah, you wasted your grenade.
I know, by accident.
G's grenade, by the way. Now there's a horde. I'm just with an axe.
No, my way. Oh yeah. I dropped some money. Oh no. Where are you?
I'm down there.
Does your sword gun work again?
Boy axe. Because my gun doesn't work. Nah, I'm low on health.
I'm just sitting here.
I'm going monster. I've got 1k. I could buy a new gun.
Yeah, I could buy a new gun as well. Where is the shop?
It's above here. I'm not in it.
Oh, same.
Same place it was.
Yes, I can buy a new gun.
Tech.
Can buy
I
a
might
Gl
have to buy tech.
I can buy a Glock 18.
Yeah, I'm not saying, no, you already have a Glock. I'm gonna have to say what tech it again.
I got a Glock 17.
Why do the guns have to get broken? Wait, is there some way to fix it?
No, sorry. Please work. Oh, finally. Finally works. You're muted. Oh no, you're not. Is people are gonna get locked outside. I mean, finally your guns work.
I just want axe.
So stay next to me.
Nah, mate.
I've got a gun that
Who
works.
cares? I got an axe and I survived with it.
I need to kill some.
Mate, I get headshots with this axe easily.
Oh, 3 XP every shot.
I get 16 spiders. Okay,
I shall help you.
they're too overpowered. So I'm swarmed, I'm one swarmed.
Yeah, I'm helping you. I'm killing the spiders. Spiders, some dead.
Shoot for the head.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I shot the got. Oh god. Come on, heal.
How was that not an instant kill? Because I'm not in first person, that's why.
Oh, you have to be in
Now
first.
I'm getting wrecked, I'm getting wrecked.
Q. I forgot I'm sniper class.
I'm needing...
I'm helping you. You and poor guest.
Nah, guest is done. Guest is done.
Yeah, I'm helping you from the back.
Peace.
What if you have infinity?
I'm gonna go for the spider.
Sorry about Stolly, I think.
Nah, I stole it. Nah, I got it.
A headshot. I don't so many
I
headshots.
think this is another place.
I'm going.
Zombies here. The guys with the chainsaws.
When I shoot the heads, I get 7 XP. It's not that much, but at least I get some.
Holy flip! This zombie just fell on the floor. It has a brain after all. Boy, found really.
So, well, there actually is a lot of people, zombies here.
No, I'm with like, I'm with a lot of zombies by myself.
Where are you then?
I don't need help.
I've been looking for you everywhere.
No one help. I'm red. I got red screen. I got red screen.
You dead?
I got red screen, bro.
Cannot see you.
They have heads. They can climb stairs. Not like that. Holy fudge! Nah, this ain't good. This ain't
No, I don't like that scream.
Fudge.
That scream is bad. Oh, look at how many zombies that you
Look
have.
how much are chasing me.
I know, I saw.
How much zombies I have to kill. If I had a gun, that would be much more easier.
I'm helping you. I'm out.
Heal, it says heal, but
Come on, heal. I'm helping. You stay back and heal.
yeah, mate. I don't need you anymore. I've got enough health. No, I've got full health.
I forgot how much is the next gun for me.
1,200 or 1,500. Depends on what gun.
I got a Glock 18, which cost 1,000.
Costs what, 800?
No, it doesn't. Glock 18
It costs 800 for me.
for me cost 1,200.
It's gonna despawn. The last one.
What was the time left? Oh, come on.
Yeah, I can buy.
Yeah, I'm actually next to it. That's good.
Can I get a...
First one to the...
No, this first one.
You are... I'm below, that's why. I shall buy M1911 or Glock... Well, I already have Glock 18. Oi, shall I buy M1911? Oi, Dom,
Do what you want.
but is it good?
Flipping care. I don't know. I only use the 10mm. I only use the 10mm gun.
Yeah, I'm buying this. I don't think I actually should have bought it. It's actually a good gun, I have to say.
How long's the recording?
Iron's insane. A lot of them gonna come from here. No,
2 more rounds maybe.
I said until we die.
That's gonna take forever.
Yeah, I guess 2 more rounds.
Because we got to do another recording today.
Yeah. Well, rip that guy. Ripping pepperonis, headshot. Headshot. Sometimes it's so hard to headshot. Oh man. A cruiser level.
Oh, damn, I've got zombies chasing after me now. Oh,
Well,
hell no.
There's so many spiders chasing.
The only thing you can do with me is get headshots. I do have no ammo.
Where did you come from? No, it's like chasing me.
Spiders really.
Oh. Get away from me. There's still like 70.
What the hell?
Have you got a lot of zombies on you?
I've got a spider too.
No, you got not. I don't even see you anymore.
I'm by myself.
So help? Need help?
Normally long wolf it.
If you need help, just tell me.
Now I'm like, this spider's not damage. Yeah,
Good. Headshot.
dead.
Whoa, I see you and some guy.
No, don't come down here, please. I'm killing these.
I'm up.
Don't shoot them, please. I'm weak to kill them. Also, I've got 5 grenades. I forgot.
Oh, 0.
Bought them. No, look, even more zombies come when I just killed all of them.
I don't even know how much I have chasing me. I'm like headshotting every single one.
I have to headshot every single one. Else they don't die.
Yeah, I killed like, there's still 20. Oh, I see you.
No, I don't.
Oh no, that's not you.
Got full health.
Oh, it's some other guy. We're stealing his kills. Oh, I see you.
Steal these kills. Ah! And his name is John Cena.
Oh, why is everyone following me?
Because you look like you're the best, mate.
There's still one left. Yeah, I have the thing. I'm coming to help you.
Mate, look how much zombies I've got. I'm gonna come to you so you can have some of these zombies. Where is everyone?
Don't even.
I'm there.
That's not a lot. I have more than that.
Look. Since I'm melee,
I'm gonna destroy the fat guys. Oh god.
yeah, what about me?
Oh, that lag though. That lag.
Why are you up close? I don't get you. You're a sniper, aren't you?
Yeah,
That
but
means you gotta stay far, far away. Oh, these chainsaw zombies. My armor's nearly out. Why? Why? Please, no.
I need help.
Oh my god, I got a shotgun off me. Ay, ay, ay.
Someone killed all the fat guys.
Me. Because I got most of the fat guys. What the hell? How did I miss that?
Oh god. I think I'm better at melee than shotguns. Sniper. I think I'm better at melee.
You never play with me.
Well, sometimes in my own time I do.
Sure.
This is the last zombie, right? So guys, so I see there's not just one left. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. And by the way, I'm not gonna finish yet, because as I said in the beginning, there's a surprise. So yeah, I see you in just a sec. I hope you're gonna like the surprise. So guys, we're at the game. We're thinking of making a group, a cafe group in a game. So far we made this game. It took a lot of work to do, and there's still some stuff that is broken, like this ice cream. As you can see, it says player 1. It doesn't work. And so yeah, I wanted to tell you that we're making a game. Yeah, no. So yeah, like if you don't know how this works, so what you can do, you take one of the cups. One of the trainees will get a cup. Go to pick one of these, and there you go. You have a milkshake, and you can drink it. Oh, so yeah. And there's just like other stuff.
We're
Like,
also gonna try to get admin on every single day so they could like change the music around.
so yeah, we're gonna be trying. We're gonna get an admin.
Or we're gonna just script the music. Okay?
We're gonna skip the music so it goes on forever. And yeah, we're gonna make sure there's an admin on every day to help you or interview you. No, I don't think anyone will be able to interview, because I think there's gonna be admin issues. So yeah.
Nah, that would be.
So yeah, so you can make. So yeah. And guys, don't worry, you don't need to get any cash. This is going to be removed. It's just we're working on it. So yeah.
That was one of our first ideas. That was one of our first ideas.
Yes, this was one of our first ideas, making a place.
With money, but we're not.
With money, yeah. But then we thought, what? You don't need money. You don't need money, you just get it for free. So yeah.
Use basic admin's call commands.
So yeah.
Or admin commands, I mean. Sorry.
So yeah, when the game is published, like it's online for everyone. Right now it's gonna be in development. Me and the man is gonna be working on it. So it's not gonna it's gonna be active. But if you see if it's shut down, that means
I teleported somewhere.
That means yeah, there is updated, and you might see us online. So yeah, and if you wanna get a rank, so I think there might be a few admin issues, so there's gonna be only like friends we know, admin interviewers. So yeah, so I hope you like even this out, and let's see where the mantis are teleported. TPD.
Well done.
Oh, you went to the other place I was building. So guys, this thing, you think this one is better, or do you think this one is better? This took us it took me a very long time to build that one, and it took the mantis a very long time to build this.
Yeah, I scripted most of it. Well, I built it.
Yeah, he scripted the most, and I built it. So yeah, guys. So if you think the other one is better, put the first, that you like the first one better. Oh, for what? And we're still working on the doors thingy, so you won't be able to go to the kitchen. So yeah, so let me show you quickly this one. Okay, unfly. The mantis can teleport to me now. Let's destroy this. And guys, if we caught you hacking, it's a permanent ban. So please guys, do not hack on the server. It ruins the game for others. Wait, what? Why? Oh my! What did you do to me?
Nothing.
We need a cup.
I definitely didn't just happen.
And if it says no, this lobby doesn't work that good, so doesn't work the best. So what are you doing? Why are you stealing everything from me? So guys,
Because it's funny.
what have you done?
It's doing okay.
So yeah guys, I hope you